Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a lovely and very easy Thanksgiving side which gets done in no time. Perfect for a busy Thanksgiving day and everyone will love it. Let's get started. We will melt the butter and add the finely chopped garlic. Now make sure it doesn't burn. Just saute a bit to infuse the flavors. Time for the finely chopped onions. We will saute these until translucent. Here I have bella mushrooms cut lengthwise. Saute these until wilted. It doesn't take much time. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Do check it out. Adding the roughly chopped spinach. We will cook this on high flame until the spinach is wilted. This also doesn't take much time. Perfect. Now we will add all the seasonings and spices to make this dish even better. I added the mixed herb seasoning, but you can add Italian seasoning if you like. Few dashes of freshly ground pepper. We are almost done. My family loves this dish a lot, and so I keep making this every Thanksgiving and it gets done so quickly. A generous garnishing of toasted chopped almonds. Handful of fried onions, and these are store-bought. And last but not the least, fresh grated parmesan cheese. Yummy! A quick mix and we are done. So quick and easy, right? Make this for your family this Thanksgiving and enjoy. Thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving.